Hey folks, Scott from IT Rockstars. Happy to see you here again today. Hope you're happy to see me. In today's video, if you provide IT services or run an IT business or manage services, I'm going to show you basically how to connect with the right types of companies using LinkedIn. Now, I got a question back recently from the service that we provide at itrockstars.co.uk. The service is a white label service, white premium content basically for IT companies, so you can market your business, educate your audience online. And the question I had was, Scott, thanks for the content that you've provided us. There's another IT company. It looks really good. But really, do I have to upgrade my LinkedIn to the Sales Navigator to connect with the right companies? So the formula basically is connect with the right companies locally in your local area, the right people in those companies, the decision makers in IT, and then start educating them by posting premium white label content on your LinkedIn timeline. They'll see that, they'll become educated on the services that you provide. That's the content that we provide you, but it's a good question. Do you actually have to upgrade to Sales Navigator to connect with the right companies online? And no, you don't. You can do it on the free version. I have used the free version for a number of years. I have recently upgraded to the Sales Navigator because you can do things more quickly on that, and there's a lot less restrictions. But if you're just getting started out on this journey of building your online audience so that you can educate that online audience about your IT services, then you can do this the free way. So the free way, this is how I do it. So we've discussed in previous videos the best tips industries to work for. In this example, I have Yell.com, Yellow Pages. I think if you're in the States, it's maybe Yelp or White Pages. Basically, it's the old Yellow Pages online where you can find all the local companies in your area. So we're going to look for accountants here. I might click this in my local area. So I'm in Aberdeen, Scotland. You would obviously change that up for your own location. And then I've basically just got a list of all of the accountants in the local area. And all I have to do is search the company name. So we'll go for this one as an example, Hall Morris, in LinkedIn. So if I bring up my LinkedIn here, 2 seconds. Search for this company. There we go. It pops up almost immediately. And then I can go and deep dive into the employees within this company. Now, I mentioned in the previous video, and this is what you can find out at the IT Rockstars website on our service. If you are selling IT services to another business, it's usually the owner of the company, or the managing director, the CEO. That's the person that you really want to speak to find out if they're the best person basically to speak to. You want to go straight to the top and then you get referred down the chain of command. So we are looking for basically the business owner or the managing director of this accountant. So where is he? Here he is here. Looks like I may already be connected with. No, I'm not. He's third in my network. Managing director at Hall Morris. So that's who I would connect with. Just hit connect, and then 50% of the time I usually get the connection request is successful. 50% of the time it's not successful. But as I mentioned before, if you connect with 20 people a day, you do that and put that into a daily routine. That's 100 people every week, 400 people every month. Half of them connect back. That's 200 people a month. Over the course of 12 months, that's 2,400 people that you can start educating online. And there's no better place to do that than at itrockstars.co.uk. You can check out our white label content. There's a 1 month free trial of the content itself, and that will allow you to promote your IT business on LinkedIn. You can post that content out as if it were your own, and then you can educate that audience that you're building up by doing these sort of connection requests. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks, folks. Bye.